Today I'm going to teach you Evelyn Mutua's song, You Will Receive Power When the Holy Ghost Comes Upon You. It's a reggae song, but I'll just teach you steps and then how to play it reggae style. Then we call it a day. This is how the song goes. So, you will receive power, Holy Ghost comes upon you. You'll be witnesses the end of the world. You will receive power when Holy Ghost comes upon you. Witnesses the end of the world. Select a pull up. So that's the song that we are doing now. The first key, actually mtanipa mitu nisemange key bora kwa una rada. So the first key kwa hiyo song ni hii. So I'm playing with the fourth string, the third string, and the second string. So this is the first key. Na nilikuambia, as a beginner or any person who is learning guitar, mark kaka dot. As long as ni mimi nakufunza, mark kaka dot. Haka ndio watakusaidia na hii dot ya mwisho kwa guitar. So the first key iko hapa. This is how you put, that's the first key. So that's how it sounds. And plucking, we are just plucking like this. Like that. No biggie. So the first one ni hiyo. The second one ni hii. So unatoka hapa, unaacha hii, unakuja hapa. Now this is the second one. Ya tatu ni hii sasa. Ya nne ni hii ya huku mwisho sasa, the last dot. Then ya tano, then tunamalizia. Okay, so it goes six times. So the first round ni hiyo. Ya pili ni hiyo. Ya tatu ni hiyo. Ya nne ni hiyo. Ya tano ni hii. Na ya sita ni. Okay? So plucking, nimekwambia una pluck tu. That's all we do. But kama unataka the other style, you can still play that. Nitakuonyesha kama tunatumia the same style, hiyo ama the other one. So nataka tucheze uone unaipiga aje sasa. So when I'm playing the first tune, you will receive power. So ya kwanza, you will receive power. So it's 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go to the other place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Kini. So turudie tena. So ni ya kwanza tunapiga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ya tunacheza tu hivi. Hivo. So ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then ya pili this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Evo. And that's the whole song. Now let us play. You will receive power when Holy Ghost comes upon you. You'll be witnesses to the ends of the earth. You will receive power when Holy Ghost comes upon you. You'll be witnesses to the end of the earth. Now select a pull up. Yeah, no, pull up. So when you're playing reggae, usually just ni kama una tighten and then unaachilia, una tighten, unaachilia, una tighten hivi. See the way I'm doing? Like that. So with the reggae style haikuangi nguvu, ni kushika tu ukiingiza na ndani ukitoa, ukiingiza na ndani ukitoa. Hivyo. So that's how you play it. So kama unataka kucheza ile yenye wanacheza huku juu, the fifth string, fourth string and the third string, you just shift kutoka hapa chini unakuja sasa juu. It still produces a lower but the same tune. And we can try. Let me show you. Like that. And that's how you play that song. So practice. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me, are you finding it easier now to play the guitar? Because nilikuambia ukijua stingo yangu hakuna nyimbo yeyote utashindwa kucheza. Utacheza all types of song with those na hiyo kastingo tu. So I'll see you in my next video, and kindly record yourself. Another thing, there's one student alikuja na akaniambia hapa, anachomeka tu vidole. It is part of this thing. Lazima utachomeka, mwingine utapata blisters, but the end goal ni you want to learn the guitar, and maybe later on in life you can decide to join a band or something and start making money for that craft that you have. But yeah, that's all, and I will see you next time, and kindly record yourself. If possible, open a social media account and start posting. Don't be perfect. Usiongoje ukuwe perfect. Just post. Even me, I started like that. So you post with those hizo zenye umerecord ukionyesha na progress. You may never know who is watching you. So I'll see you next time, and it's a bye for me.